We're in Marietta, South Carolina today, looking at Big Blue, as we like to call her. We're 30 minutes from Greenville, an hour from Asheville. You're gonna love this house. I love it. It's cute, it's adorable. Let's go check out the inside. Welcome to my #1 favorite feature of this whole property is this kitchen. You've got the two-tone cabinets, granite countertops, storage up and down, plus we've got a built-in cabinet space here. This right here sets the tone for the rest of the property.
How we roll, we've been dancing till we fall, drinking red wine on the weekends, just to run away, go, I don't want to let this feeling go. I woke up left out on the porch, making too much noise, up all last night, baby, up all last night.
Well, that wraps up our tour here at 6 Edgebrook Court, Marietta, South Carolina. Contact me via call, text, or DM for all the info, and click the link for all the details.
I don't really care that outside is a mess, I just really wanna find out